Hi guys, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review the Rocksbox that I received. It was my first box. I wasn't sure what to expect. I knew that it would be more, or it was supposed to be, high-end costume jewelry. But I'm not sure how I felt about it, so I just kind of wanted to review that today, just give you my thoughts on that. I am using natural light again today. Back to Rocksbox. So I got the Rocksbox and it's $21 a month. It's a renting and buying service. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. You actually get to pick a bunch of jewelry that you like. A stylist will style you. You get sent 3 pieces of jewelry, and then you can either rent it for a while and then buy it, or if you just love it right away, you can just buy it and then send the remaining pieces back. You can always just jump on my other video. I have more details about that. But I sent it back today, and I put all the pieces back. I sent all the pieces back. I wore them around the house for a couple days, and just thinking about it, I really didn't love all the pieces, and especially for the prices that they were. I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. I really love costume. Well, let me rephrase that. I like jewelry. I really love real jewelry. I am a pearl collector. I love pearls. I love real pearls. I love fake pearls. That's usually what stands out to me when I'm picking pieces, or stones. I really like stones. But I also like, if I'm buying costume jewelry, I like it to feel sturdy. I like it to have a little bit of jazz hands to it, I guess. You know, for instance, I bought this piece. At a Renaissance fair, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. It doesn't, I don't know, it just feels really sturdy, and it's beautiful. I mean, I know it doesn't look great with the shirt that I'm wearing today, but you know, I like it. I like things like that. This ring is costume jewelry, but it's just really sturdy. And of course it has a little pizzazz to it. You know, I mean, I do like costume jewelry, but I guess I'm just really picky about it. So with that being said, I got the Aster Shira stretch bracelet set, and that retailed for $45. The cost to me would have been $38. I don't know, it just seemed flimsy, not made very well. I don't know. I didn't like it. I don't know. When I was wearing it around the house, it reminded me of, you know, those candy bracelets you used to get, and you know, you would bite the little sugar candy pieces off. I mean, really, that's what it kind of reminded me of. So I didn't really care for that. The Ava Rose, the statement piece necklace, and I'll put pictures up somewhere in here. I'm not sure. I'm still new to editing too. My husband usually does my editing for me, so I'll figure it out. But there will be a picture reminding you somewhere. I'll figure it out. But the Ava Rose was $68. Cost to me, the retail price was $80. To me, that just wasn't worth it. Every time I turned a certain way or bent down, like there was a kink in the chain. Maybe it's because I'm not really used to wearing long statement necklaces, but it just, I don't know, that was annoying to me. Like I'm having to, you know, pull the kinks out of the chain. So that went back, because I'm not going to wear a piece that I have to continuously do that with. And then the last piece was the Aster Zinnia ring in gold and champagne. The retail price for that was $65. The cost to me would have been $55. I did think the ring was a little more sturdy than the other two pieces, but I guess, I don't know, just after wearing it around the house, I just thought to myself, you know, and I come up here to where I hang all of my jewelry, and I just said there are so many more pieces that I have that I just love a lot more, and I'm not gonna pay $55 for this piece. It's just, I don't know, to me that's like this necklace with all of this intricate detail. I mean, just absolutely stunning. This cost me $55. This ring, that's absolutely beautiful. Well, I don't know, some people might think it's gaudy. I think it's beautiful. But I think this ring cost me like $35. So I can't get behind. I don't know if you guys can see that. Obviously, my camera is crap at this point in my video making, but it's just absolutely, it's a stunning piece. And I paid like $35, maybe $40 for it. And here's another piece that I pulled out that I absolutely love. And you know, I paid like $25 for this. I don't know if you can really see that. But those are real stones in there. And so I don't know, I just can't get behind paying these kind of prices. I did send my Rocksbox back. I will be getting another box. Apparently, as soon as they realize that it has shipped out, they'll start styling you a new set. So I'm hoping that they send me one of the pearl pieces that I put up in my favorites. You get like a space where you can put like 10 products or 10 of the pieces, and they're like your favorites. And then if they have that in stock at the time, they will send it to you if they have it. So I'm hoping that they send me one of the pearl pieces that I put up there, or one of the bigger jewelry pieces, so maybe I could get into that a little bit more. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a chance, see how I like it, and we'll just go from there. Thank you for watching this review, and I will see you the next time. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, you can always like and subscribe and, you know, do all that other stuff. I don't know. I feel weird saying that. Is that, I know it's normal, but I feel weird saying it. So I don't know if that's something I'm going to continue to say. I mean, I just assume that if you like this video, you will like and you will subscribe. I don't know. Which is ironic because my shirt says, I drink and I know things. But that I do not know. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.